There is no force in God. Force is always in religion. God's supposed to say, I am your father. I brought you out of Egypt. You cannot choose any other king. I am your king and I will forever be your king. God respects the will of man. Wherever you see God, you see liberty. Even liberty to do licentiousness. Oh, you want to sing? Go ahead. That's God. No, you will not sing. You will not sing. No, God will not do that. They wanted to have their ways. God said, let it be. So any one of you that is using force, if you are the husband that you want to use force over your wife, I'm the husband in this house. That is religion. That is what it means to be godless. Anytime you are flexing your muscle, anytime you are increasing your eyeball, and you need to use baritone voice, and you need to use a thunderous voice and say, get away from that. God will not do that. If you don't respect God, yeah, it's your choice.